Hello friends, today we will talk about tenses. What are tenses? Tenses are basically denote time in our speech. Whenever we make any kind of sentences, it denotes the time of it, whether it's done in present form or was done in the past form or will be done in a future time. So it basically tells us when the action is done in the past, present or future. So first of all, we are going to do about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? It tells us about the present action. It denotes us about a present action. And also about present continuous. It shows that still the action is being taken in the present time. It has not been completed yet. Now we come to our exercises through which we will basically know how to use them, and we would even get more clearer and clearer the more we are going to practice these exercises, the more clear it will become to us. So the first one has been done for you. We are going to use here simple present or present continuous forms. Second one, I am scared of thunder. It is sounding really frightening tonight. So sound is converted into is sounding because this is present continuous. In present continuous, we are going to use ing. Third one, my friends are working in the library now. They are arranging the books neatly. The teacher appreciates their help. Fourth, Raj is spending the weekend at Uncle Vikram's place. Fifth, she is buying oranges from market now. Since the action is taking in a present form, we are using here continuous tense. Sixth, Krish is always making careless mistakes. 7. The poet and the playwright address their fans in the auditorium on Saturday. 8. There goes the girl who won the spelling contest. Now, with this we have completed first exercise. Now we are going to come to second exercise. Again we have to fill the blanks with simple present or present continuous forms in the brackets. We are going to take these verbs help and then we are going to fill either with simple present or with present continuous forms. Manohar has a small shop in the main market. He has many customers who are flocking to his shop whenever they need something. He stocks all the things they require. He greets them politely and attends to them with a smile. His sales are increasing every day, although many new shops have come up. Manohar plans to renovate his shop and hopes that he will be able to satisfy all customers. His friends are waiting for the renovation of the shop as they want him to do well. With this we have completed with simple present form and the present continuous form. Remember, in the present continuous we are going to use ing. In the end is going to be ing. This shows that this is present continuous form. In a simple present tense we use is, has, is, are. These are the small forms in which it shows that the action is still taking on. Now another we are going to come with present perfect tense. Here the action has been completed but still we are in the present situation, and also we are going to do present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. Here it tells us whenever we have to come to any conclusions in the dramatic events, it helps us to make conclusions, to draw conclusions. In present, in this perfect tense, we are going to use has, have, or has been, or have been. So with this we have to do our exercises. Here again in the exercise we either have to fill it with present perfect or present perfect continuous. In the continuous we are going to use ing, and with the present perfect we are going to use has or have. With this, this verb is also going to change. This verb we are going to use the past of it. Okay, its past form, like write, wrote and written. So we are going to use past participle. We are going to use past participle. Has plus past participle. Now the first one has been done for you. The second one, mother has been reading the newspaper for the past half hour. Third, Naveen has decided to set up his factory away from the village. Fourth, the detective has solved. This is the perfect, and solved is going to be the past participle. The case to the satisfaction of his client. The roads are blocked. All the travelers have been waiting for more than 3 hours now. Sixth, the laborers have worked for months to complete the construction. The municipality has cleared the neighborhood of all garbage. The teacher has been advising Rohan to be more attentive in class, but he has paid no heed. Another para we are going to fill with present perfect and present perfect continuous form. First has been done for you. Now we are going to do another one. They have bought many plants and Neeta has also picked some seedlings. They have been spending nearly 2 hours in the nursery and have enjoyed themselves. Neeta has chosen a special plant for her room. She has asked her mother for a plant and now she has got one at last. Neeta has decided to call all her friends to her house to see that the plants that they have purchased. With this we have completed this para also. If you have any problem with that, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.